How to make $100 per day with Midjourney. In an era defined by the ever-expanding realm of online opportunities, platforms like Midjourney have emerged as beacons of potential, offering individuals the chance to translate their skills into a consistent income stream. Every step of this journey is dissected, explored, and elaborated in utmost detail, ensuring a profound understanding of the strategies required to reach this coveted financial milestone. Understanding the essence of the Midjourney platform. At the heart of the quest for $100 per day with Midjourney lies a thorough comprehension of the platform itself. Midjourney is a digital marketplace that serves as a nexus, connecting skilled service providers with individuals seeking diverse services. From creative endeavors like graphic design and content creation to technical pursuits such as coding and digital marketing, Midjourney becomes the conduit through which skills metamorphose into revenue-generating avenues. Delving into the art of niche identification and strengths. The foundation upon which success on Midjourney is built rests in the identification of personal strengths and the delineation of a niche. Embarking on the path towards a daily income of $100 necessitates a profound self-awareness, where introspection uncovers one's unique talents, passions, and expertise. The convergence of these elements allows for the crystallization of a niche, a specialized arena that resonates with personal strengths. This alignment not only facilitates the command of higher rates, but also magnetizes clients seeking precisely what is offered. Crafting a mesmerizing Midjourney profile, a digital work of art. Analogous to the brushstrokes on a canvas, a well-crafted Midjourney profile weaves a narrative that captivates potential clients. This digital tapestry serves as a representation of your journey, painted with experiences, achievements, and the unwavering pursuit of excellence. The profile is not a mere catalog but a testament, a narrative that extends beyond the superficial and delves into your expertise, principles, and the value that clients can expect. Unveiling the symphony of strategic pricing. The art of pricing services is akin to orchestrating a symphony of value. It involves meticulous research into the market dynamics within your chosen Midjourney niche. A symphony of knowledge is conducted, harmonizing with the cadence of competitive rates while also accentuating the value you provide. Positioning your pricing as an embodiment of the value you offer creates an alignment between the perceived worth and the income you strive to attain. Illuminating service listings for maximum engagement. Service listings are the portal through which potential clients peer into the universe of your offerings. These listings should be illuminated with detail, each item a brushstroke that paints a vivid picture of the service's transformative potential. Eloquent descriptions, supplemented by captivating visuals and perhaps even immersive videos, unveil the artistry of your services, leaving an indelible impression that beckons clients to embark on a creative journey with you. The alchemy of communication, nurturing client relationships. In the crucible of service provision, communication transforms into the alchemical catalyst for forging strong client relationships. For the very first inquiry, the cauldron of clear, timely, and empathetic communication lays the foundation for a symbiotic collaboration. Once a project unfolds, consistent updates, milestone celebrations, and open dialogues crystallize trust, transcending mere transactions and cultivating an environment of partnership. Delivering excellence, a craft beyond craftsmanship. The cornerstone of reputation on Midjourney is founded on consistently delivering high-quality work within stipulated timelines. It is an art beyond craftsmanship, a symphony where the precision of project requirements is harmonized with the crescendo of surpassing client expectations. This artistic pursuit of excellence not only fosters client satisfaction, but also sets the stage for positive reviews that resonate like echoes through the digital corridors of Midjourney. Scaling your potential for maximum earnings. As the tapestry of your reputation flourishes on Midjourney, the potential to scale your efforts emerges as a strategic endeavor. This could involve expanding your service offerings, delving into complementary niches, or collaborating with fellow service providers to orchestrate comprehensive solutions. Scaling augments your income avenues, crafting a symphony that resonates across a broader spectrum of clientele. The unwavering rhythm of consistency and persistence. Earning $100 per day on Midjourney demands an unwavering rhythm of consistency and persistence. Dedicate a stanza of your daily symphony to engage with clients, compose projects, and harmonize with self-promotion efforts. Through this rhythmic commitment to excellence, you craft a melody that reverberates, surpasses expectations, and cultivates a resonance that attracts clients, inching you closer to your financial crescendo. Celebrating triumphs and reflecting on progress. As you ascend towards the pinnacle of a daily $100 income, pause to celebrate your milestones. The attainment of this benchmark transcends financial gain. It is a celebration of adaptability, innovation, and resilience within the digital realm. Every achievement becomes a testament to your ability to orchestrate growth, navigate digital landscapes, and compose a melody of triumph that echoes in the virtual halls of Midjourney. Profoundly grasping the essence of Midjourney's realm. Before charting the course toward a daily income of $100 with Midjourney, an intimate comprehension of the platform's essence is paramount. Midjourney surfaces as an avant-garde marketplace, facilitating connections between adept service providers and individuals seeking an eclectic array of services. From the canvas of graphic design to the symphony of digital marketing, Midjourney emerges as the conduit through which dormant skills are resurrected to generate financial fruition. The prelude of niche mastery and self-understanding. The cornerstone of success on Midjourney is etched within the mastery of one's niche and the unveiling of personal strengths. Embarking on the pursuit of $100 per day ushers in the age of profound self-understanding, where introspection dances with introspection to unearth one's innate aptitudes, fervent passions, and refined expertise. The culmination manifests in the articulation of a niche, a distinctive realm where strengths harmonize with specialization, positioning the adept practitioner as an epitome of proficiency sought after by discerning clients. Crafting an enthralling Midjourney chronicle. Comparable to an artisan weaving a masterpiece, constructing an enthralling Midjourney profile requires deftness and precision. A profile transcends mere digital depiction. It metamorphoses into a virtual biography. Each pixel narrates your journey, outlining accomplishments, navigating experiences, and narrating the saga of an unyielding commitment to excellence. This digital epic delves beyond a superficial enumeration, unfolding a testament to your acumen, principles, and the transformative essence you bring to the client's realm. Price positioning as an artistic equation. The symphony of pricing emerges as a creative equation, a fusion of market comprehension and individual value proposition. Diligent exploration of market dynamics in the chosen Midjourney domain sets the stage for symphonic artistry. The crescendo emerges as your pricing, a harmonious blend of competitive rates reflecting your promise while embracing the value essence of your offering. Such an alignment bridges the chasm between anticipated returns and the strategic valuation of your contributions. Illuminating service listings with luminescent details. Service listings emerge as illuminated manuscripts that beckon potential clients to traverse a journey of value. Each listing, akin to a brushstroke on a canvas, should be meticulously detailed. These brushstrokes are not just descriptions. They metamorphose into strokes of luminescence, casting a resplendent glow on the transformative attributes of your offerings. Elaborate descriptions, bolstered by a symphony of visuals and even immersive videos, weave a spellbinding narrative that resonates within the soul of the client. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.